Here are 20 common verb preposition pairs, along with their meanings and examples. Look at to direct one's gaze towards something. Example: she looked at the sunset and was amazed by its beauty. Listen to give attention to sound. Example: I love listening to music while I work. Depend on, to be influenced or determined by something. Example: whether or not we have a picnic will depend on the weather. Talk to speak with someone. Example: he talked to the doctor about his health concerns. Think about to consider something. Example: I need some time to think about the offer before making a decision. Believe in, to have faith or confidence in something or someone. Example: I believe in the power of positive thinking. Apologize for, to express regret for something one has done wrong. Example: she apologized for being late to the meeting. Consist of, to be made up of something. Example: the cake consists of flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. Look for, to try to find something. Example: I'm looking for my keys, have you seen them? Think of, to have an idea or remember something. Example: can you think of a good present for her birthday? Agree with, to have the same opinion or view as someone else. Example: I agree with your assessment of the situation. Care about, to be concerned or interested in something or someone. Example: I really care about the environment and try to live sustainably. Run into, to meet someone unexpectedly. Example: I ran into an old friend from college at the supermarket. Look after, to take care of someone or something. Example: I need to find someone to look after my cat while I'm on vacation. Belong to be owned by or associated with someone or something. Example: the book belongs to my sister, I borrowed it from her. Count on, to rely on or trust someone or something. Example: I'm counting on you to finish the project on time. Dream of, to have a dream or desire for something. Example: she dreamed of becoming a successful writer someday. Give up, to stop doing something or trying to achieve something. Example: don't give up on your dreams, keep working towards them. Get over, to recover from an illness or emotional trauma. Example: it took her a long time to get over the loss of her beloved pet. Laugh at, to find something amusing or funny. Example: the audience laughed at the comedian's jokes.